from Glenwood, and today we are going to be talking about the standards. So first we're going to talk about subitizing to 5, and then we are going to be making 10. And we're going to do a word problem today. And my it's kind of slow, so you might have to let me know if you can't see me. Okay, so let's get started. So Miss Rebecca's, I'm going to sing the famous Jack Hartman Subitize just because that's what I like to do. Okay, here we go. Subitize, subitize. You can help me, Zoe. Use your brain, use your eyes, see the set and think quick. Say the number in the set. Now, Miss Rebecca is going to hold up the card, okay? And then you are going to subitize, all right? And I can only do it for 3 seconds. Remember that. Ready? Okay. All right. Now, let us know what number that was. All right, here's the next number. You got 3 seconds.
Use your brain and use your eyes, what we said in the number thing.
Yep, use your brain and use your eyes. Okay, here's another one. Ready?
How many was that? Was it 3 or 2? You gotta guess.
Not really guessing. You're using your brain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the next one. Guys, subitizing is really easy to do at home. All right, here we go. Okay. So, we are going to keep going. I'm going to give you just 2 more to subitize. And then we're going to go to our word problem. Okay, Zoe, can you see that one?
Yes.
What is it?
It was 4.
Very good. Way to go, Anna. You're doing great at subitizing. Zoe, Anna's on.
Hey, Anna.
Okay, let's see. I said 2 more, but I think I'm going to do 2 more after this one. Oh, that's a harder one. You got it? Woo, way to go. Okay, here's 1 more. And then I'll do 1 more, then I promise I'm going to stop. Okay, so listen, I've got these fancy subitizing cards, but you really don't have to have them. You can do this with a dry erase marker and a paper plate, or I've just got this laminated piece of paper, or you can use whatever. Your mom will let you. You could even do it on the refrigerator. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so here's another one. Okay. That's the last one. Okay, so next we are going to move on to, and this, guys, this is what's in your packet for this is Fridays, actually, because me and Miss birds. Okay, so just close your eyes and think about 7 birds in the tree. And 3 more birds flew in the tree. Okay, so there was 7 and now 3 more came. How many birds do we have in the tree now? So we can do this several different ways, okay? I can make something here, and you guys have seen this before, I'm sure, and it may be upside down, and I'm sorry. So we started with 7 birds, so I'm going to put this, pretend like this is my little tree. 1, 2, 3, do this with me. 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. That's just one way to represent 7. It doesn't have to be done this way. I'm going to show you several different ways to do it, okay? So there's 7. Now, how many more birds flew into the tree? That's right, 3 more. So I'm going to put 3 on this side. Now, so we have 7 and 3 more. So what we're going to do is we're going to just add those 2 together and figure out how many we have in all. Okay? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super job. So right here, I'm going to put 10 dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write. And it's even helpful. Sometimes at school, I have my children not only put the dots there, but it's also helpful for them to write the numbers because it helps them recognize and remember those numbers, okay? So 7 birds, 3 more came along. Gosh, we have 10 in all in the tree now. Okay, Miss Rebecca's going to show you a little bit of different way to do this. Okay, because you don't always have to do it the same way. All kids learn different, so sometimes they need something to touch instead of just looking at it on the paper. So I have 2 clear glasses here. Okay, so remember we had 7 birds in the tree. So this is going to be my big tree, okay? And I'm going to put all of them in here. And then I'm going to get 7 out, okay? You see, I've got them all in one. I'm going to get 7 out. And I'm going to transfer them to this cup, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've got 7 in this cup, and I have 3 more flew along. 7 and 3 more. And we're going to count up from 7. 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 birds in the tree. Okay, so we're going to try this with some more equations. So first I'm going to do it this way, and next I'm going to do it another way, okay? And it really, I mean, it doesn't matter how you do this, just as long as this number is the end or what you have all together. So let's do 2 and 8, all right? So Miss Rebecca's going to put 2 and 8, okay? So here we go. I'm going to put 2 dots. 1, 2. And we do this at school a lot. Okay. Then I'm going to do, in the next circle, I'm going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we have 8 birds and 2 more. All right, so I'm going to give you a chance to count all of the dots that you made, okay? And I'll do it with you. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 8 birds in the tree, 2 more fly over to the tree. So in all, we have 10. So I'm going to write the number so that I can see it visually. And I'm going to make dots to represent how many. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there we go. Do you see that? Now, and I don't know if I said it already or not. This is called a number bond. Okay? It bonds 2 numbers together. Okay? Okay, so I'm so sorry, guys. My dog is going crazy. Okay. So, Miss Rebecca is now, I'm going to represent these numbers with the cereal again. So these are kind of, we're pretending like these are birds. And you can use whatever you have at home. Okay? So, all right. So 8 and 2. So I'm going to put all in here. Okay? Shh. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So now I have 8 birds or cereals. These are to represent my birds in this tree. And more come along. Okay? So 8, and then I'm going to count up. 9 and 10. So you can make 10 in many different ways. You don't have to use just one equation. There's lots of different ways that make 10. So, for instance, our first one that we did was 7 and 3 make 10. And on this one, we have 8 and 2 make 10. Okay? Guys, if you have any questions with the package, just let us know. And I really appreciate you tuning in. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Goodbye.